Hey everyone, welcome back to our garden series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of container gardening, and more specifically, how to grow watermelon in a container. Whether you're an urban dweller with limited space or a suburban gardener looking for a new challenge, this guide is for you. First things first, choosing the right container is crucial. It needs to be deep enough to accommodate the watermelon plant's roots. A 5-gallon pot should do the trick. Next up, consider drainage holes. Watermelons require lots of water, so make sure your container has holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Finally, remember that watermelons are heavy plants, so choose a sturdy container that can withstand their weight. Next up, let's talk soil. Choose a well-draining potting mix that's rich in nutrients. Dig a hole deep enough for your seedling and gently place it in. Gently pat down your soil and voila! Your watermelon is ready to grow. Remember to provide your plant with plenty of sunlight and regular watering. As it grows, you might need to upgrade your pot size if it outgrows the current one. And there you have it. With this simple guide on how to grow watermelon in a container, you'll be enjoying fresh fruit from your own garden in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy growing!